In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stream Zoom to Facebook Live. By the end, you'll know exactly how to enable live streaming in Zoom and push your meeting or webinar directly to your Facebook audience with confidence. First, open your browser and go to the Zoom web portal. This is the settings page you manage from a browser, not the desktop app. If you're part of an organization, you might need the correct permissions from your account admin to adjust live streaming features, so it's a good idea to be signed in with the right account. Once you're on the web portal, sign in and head to Settings. From there, scroll to the In Meeting Advanced section. Look for Allow Live Streaming of Meetings. Turn this on and then check the option for Facebook. This tells Zoom that your meetings are allowed to broadcast to Facebook. If you see the setting locked, it means your admin controls it and you'll need them to enable it for your account. While you're here, remember that enabling this applies to future meetings you host, so you won't have to repeat this step each time. Now open the Zoom desktop app and start your meeting as the host. Give yourself a minute to confirm your microphone and camera are working and make sure any co-hosts or presenters are in the meeting and ready. It helps to close unnecessary apps to keep your connection and CPU smooth during the stream. Inside your active meeting, look at the bottom toolbar and click More. In the menu that appears, choose Live Broadcasting, then Live on Facebook. Zoom will open a browser window and connect to Facebook. You'll be prompted to confirm where you want to stream, such as your profile, a page you manage, or a group with the appropriate